Guys, so for today's video is I'm gonna make a clear slime. So guys, this is my first time making clear slime. Oh my gosh. Stop. So the ingredients that you need for this slime is a clean bowl to make it really clear, a fork or spoon to mix with, your clear glue, your jar container, your activator, and your design. I'm just gonna add a pink and purple glitter glue. Stop. So guys, first step is you're gonna add your clear glue to the bowl. This probably take a while. Oh my gosh. It's my first time making clear slime. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that the bowl is getting full. So guys, the step 2 is add your add-on. Sorry about that, guys. Next you're gonna add is your add-ons. I'm gonna add the glitter glue. I'm gonna squeeze this. Stop. Now we're just gonna mix. Oh my god, this is my favorite part. Oh my gosh, it's very chunky. Like you need to kind of smash off the chunks, then mix and smash and mix and smash. But this will take in for a while. So guys, I just mixed it and it kind of removed the chunks. Now I'm just gonna add activator. This is the hard part because you all know, guys, that clear Elmer's glue is very thick. Like, yeah, very. Ooh. I added color to the activator. Oh my gosh, it's working. Oh my god. But not all of them is working yet. We can just need it. Yeah, squeeze a lot of activator in there. And I will go back to you guys after this is truly make slime, guys. I will see. I will gonna magic.
Can I touch it?
Yes.
Wow!
And we have a full container, and that one I will just give it to the camera girl because
It's so pretty.
but it has a lot of air bubbles. That's why it's kind of white. It's pearly. Oh my god, it's so hard to remove in the container. Like, look at that, guys. Yes. It's very thick. And it's kind of a pearlescent color. Just disappointing, but bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Bye guys.
Wow.